Siniyasig dapat mag-inject tayo kita pag pinanalo. Walang gumagalaw, wala namang gumagalaw. Hey, Druid, are you alive? Please, kindly erase the eyes. Hinot maisong na da or matapang. Gusto ko bata. Okay, ano. Ato, makarit magsayo. Ikaw, ate. Ay. Sige, ikaw na lang nakared. Ikaw na lang, ikaw. Kindly erase the eyes, okay? Because the eyes are moving. What is your name? Okay, using this one. Gamit tayo ni. Okay, what is your name?
Aisha.
Okay, wait lang. Erase the eyes. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go, erase the eyes. Babay na Mr. Luwing. Babay na. Wala. Ayun na, nahadlok na. Mapapakaray